in this problem you are given an integer array capacity, where capacity I represents the capacity of the ith box and integer item size represents the size of the item. The ith box can store the item if capacity is greater than your item size, okay, or equals to the item size. Now you need to return an integer denoting the index of the box, which is the with the minimum capacity, and if there are multiple boxes which exist, so you need to return the smallest index. If no box, you can just return minus. Yeah. So this is also changed. One update just messes everything. So your question one says there are multiple boxes of different sizes. Okay. Now you are asked that you have an item. Let's say this is your item, and it weighs 8 kgs. And there are boxes which can hold 10 kg, 4 kg, 8 kg, 1 kg, 2 kg, say 3 kg. Okay, so these are your boxes. You need to find the smallest possible box, which is a box with the smallest possible size which can hold this item. And if there are multiple boxes of that size, you can just return the first index of that box. Okay, so this is just the basic idea how you can implement this. Iterate over all the boxes. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will iterate over all the boxes. I will keep track of two things. Okay, last box which I have chosen, that box size and index. Okay, all right, so how will I do this? Now I have an item of 8 kg, so 8 kg can be fit in 10 kg. So yeah, 10 kg is a good answer for me. All right, so I will mark my current answer as index 0 and current capacity as 10. Okay, so that's much I can, like, that is the box which I have chosen. Okay, so 10 kg is the box which I have chosen. Now you go 4 kg, 4 kg cannot fit 8 kg, so okay, next. Now you go 8 kgs, 8 kg can fit 8 kg, okay, and also the capacity of this box, which it is 8 kg, and for this box it is 10 kg, so this is better box, so I will switch it with the answer. So my answer will become 2 and 8. Okay, so my answer switched up. Now you go again, 1 kg you cannot fit, 2 kg you cannot fit, 3 kg you cannot fit. Okay, so I cannot fit. Now I will return this answer. So as you can see also, answer index 2 is the best box which I can fit according to the problem. So that's it for this problem. And if we look at the code, it says that integer answer equals to -1, integer capacity equals to 29, which I've started it because I put my answer as -1 because I have not got any box where I can store, so I will return -1. And capacity has as large as possible. Here your capacity is I is at 100. You can take 105. It will still work. I will take 29 for just muscle memory. So you iterate on all the boxes. Really good. If you did 3, you should try 4 also because it was quite easy. And if you have good practice on concursion, then I think you can solve that problem in like 10 to 20 minutes max. So if your capacity is greater than item size, which is necessary, and your previous capacity was greater than current box capacity, so what I will do, I will update my answer. So answer will become I, and my current capacity will become the box's capacity. Okay. Then after that, I will just return answer. So that's it for this problem. Is this clear?